Hi, lovelies. You're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Happy to have you on my line today. Lovelies, I'm sharing this super delicious, simple, perfect dinner or lunch. It is called Yam Porridge or Yam Pottage. Let's get it started. What I have here is my mortar that I'll be using to ground this crayfish. That's what I'm pouring inside, dried crayfish. If you don't have this mortar, there's no problem at all. You can use your kitchen processor or your blender. Just pour it inside and blend it roughly or smoothly. What I'm adding into this is dried fish. Yes, if you like, you can just rinse the dried fish and add it to what we're about to start cooking. But for you to get the maximum results, please ground it together with the crayfish together. That is it. Keep it aside. That is my habanero pepper, onion, and I'm going to add some little water into it for easy grounding or blending. What should I call this? I love this mortar. Yes, it is so easy to use. Like I've said, you can use a kitchen processor or your blender. Now I'm going to set all this aside. In a pot, pour some palm oil into the pot, add some diced or sliced onion into it and saute for about 2 minutes. Just fry it for about 2 minutes until it's a little bit caramelized, just to flavor the palm oil. After that, I'll be adding pepper mix. I'm using bell pepper and onions at this stage. So give it a good mix together. I'm adding some water into it and I'm going to just go ahead and add my peeled and diced yam into it. Yes, you remember we are cooking yam pottage. Now I'm going to add those ingredients we blended at the beginning. I added it into it and I'm adding seasoning direct into it now, and I'm going to add salt. Can you see how simple it is to prepare? I've added almost everything. We are not done with those ingredients, okay? So I'm going to add tomatoes, that is sliced or diced, doesn't matter. Now cover and bring to boil. I'm going to prepare my plantain. We're going to be using, yes, this plantain. It has to be well ripe one. Overripe plantain is super perfect for this. All you need to do is to peel it and dice it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. Please remember to give this video a like, comment, share. Thank you so much for your support. So I'm going to keep it for later use. Let's check our yam. I need to test and be sure it is soft already. Look at it, super ready. Please at this stage taste for salt and adjust. All right, this is perfect. So I'm going to add the plantain direct into it now. And I'll be adding mackerel. This is home smoked mackerel fish. Yes, check my page here. You're gonna see how I prepared this mackerel fish. So I mixed everything together, turn down the heat and simmer for about 3 minutes. So lovely, that is it. You need to be here. The aroma is super delicious. Everything about this one pottage is delicious. Mix everything together. You can just mash some of the yam and it will give you this delicious look you're seeing. We need to taste this together. Get your spoon. If you like it, you can eat it this way, but I love to serve this with vegetable sauce. Do you want to see how I prepare this? Check my comment section. You're gonna see it there. Thank you.